In the land of the rising sun is the Nagoya city, well known for its manufacturing industry. Nagoya University of Technology sends forth a team of diligent members who are looking to put their best foot forward at Robocon 2014. Thailand, where nature's bounty is found aplenty. Representing this blessed country is the team from Thurakit Pandit University that hopes to succeed in lifting the Grand Prix trophy of Robocon 2014 and make its country proud.
Look at the two sides, Akshay and Mona.
Yes,
they are really going.
The blue team, Japan and Thailand, red.
The Japanese side doing the seesaw in 10 seconds.
They are quick, I feel.
Quick, 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 quick. That's what they do. Quick, quick, quick.
Yeah, and we'll
The red
become
team
ducks
heading towards
who do
the
quick,
pole
quick, quick.
walk.
Oh, lost
My
time.
God.
They've lost time on the pole walk. The Japanese, a little tentative, a little worried.
And team in blue, that is Japan. They're going about their robot.
Well, at the same time, Akshay, Thailand struggling a little bit. Advantage with Japan.
Well, you can say that because Thailand, again, the advantage can turn into a disadvantage very quickly in this match.
Akshay, the Japanese robo needs a hot cup of tea. Hot cup of tea for the Japanese robo.
Well, I have no idea, but their game has been absolutely breathtaking because the way they are going about it, especially the team in red Thailand, I think they are looking far more confident somehow. Are we up in for another upset here, Melon? What do you say?
Oh!
Exactly, look
Why
at
don't
that.
they go to the swing? Why don't they go to the swing and change?
That's okay. Keep going. Anyway.
The team blue, Japan, heading towards the pole walk. And yes, they have completed it.
Akshay,
They have completed
Akshay,
it.
upset.
Heading towards
Upset.
Look at that.
upset, upset, upset.
Team in blue. That is Japan for you, ladies and gentlemen.
Okay.
I think they'll have to dislodge
What an
the
upset
robot
this will
once
be.
again.
What an upset this will be. No, Japan still have a chance. Nagoya still have a chance.
We are still only halfway through the game.
I'll
We
tell
have
you,
a good
I'll tell
one
you.
more than one
Akshay,
minute.
I can't watch this match. I can't watch this match.
I think people with
It's
with
too
weak
tense.
hearts cannot watch this
It
kind
is,
of semi-final.
It is absolutely tense. 1, 2,
Everything is murky now.
3. Yeah, okay, okay, they got it.
They've got it.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yes.
yes. Keep going. Yay!
2
They
minutes.
made it.
Japan! Sabah, Japan! This was so tense. Mona and Akshay, what do you think?
This was an outstanding match, Charu. Look at the way they played. I mean, we had no idea which team is going to make it.
And I think most of them had their heart in their hands.
Yeah,
It was
I
so-
believe that. Because it was a little tough for them and still they really went ahead playing the game.
Seriously.
That's what makes them the best and the very, very tough team.
Ultimately, it's Japan. Sabash.
Well, that was indeed a very, very scintillating match between two top teams. Second semi-final is over. And that's how this all went along. Well, Mona, you know, Japanese team did have their share of glitches here and there were moments when they did look a bit shaken, but they picked themselves up together quickly and got back into the game, and hence they are the winners. What do you say?
That's what it's all about. If you panic, then you can lose. And if you still keep going and just believe in yourself, you will definitely win.
There you go, shabash. And that was the ultimate nail, I can say that.
Believe me.
The crowd, we must say, has been superb throughout the day. They have given utmost support to every team who has participated in this wonderful international tournament. So let's go over to TP Singh for the scores.
So we are still to have the result.
In the second match of the semi-final, team in red, Thurakit Pandit University from Thailand scored 24 points, whereas team in blue, Nagoya Institute of Technology from Japan, they scored 76 points with Shabash in 2.19 minutes.